What's up, you guys? Literally, what I'm doing today, I'm drawing the easiest character that you can ever possibly think of or draw. And I bet some of you know what I'm doing right now. Easy. Here's a circle. Draw this little nub right here. Here's your crosshairs. And here's the other nub. Don't draw on the outside like I did this one because we're doing a 3D effect. The person's facing diagonal this way. Draw your eyes. Looks like it's replicating Boo from, Mario? And I know some of you know who this is probably already. You guessed it right. Your one and only, Kirby. I used to draw this character all the time, literally. Kirby, you could draw Kirby in so many ways. I know most people should know how to draw Kirby. But if not, here's your first one. Sometimes you could draw Kirby with his foot, like, I don't know if it's his or he or... Nah, that don't look right. Because I usually just draw Kirby like this. There we go. Literally, I mean, that's it. You literally could just draw a character like this. And when you go in perspective and all that, you could draw Kirby in any kind of form of perspective, for sure. So let's say if you're drawing Kirby running, you could draw Kirby, just keep practicing different forms, you know? And I could break down into that stuff later, you know, in another video maybe, so you guys can see what I mean by that, if you want to do all that. Oh yeah, but another thing too, I'm going to have a raffle coming up. So I don't know if you guys have checked out my Instagram or anything like that. I got some pretty good dope work on there, all finished product. If you guys like and share and subscribe and, you know, push that bell so you get notified, then basically you guys will be entered, whoever does that in all those steps, you guys will be entered in a contest, in a raffle. And the raffle basically is, I'm just gonna pick, you know, I'll see who subscribed, shared, and all that. I'll pitch you guys in a raffle, and what happens when you win, you'll get one of my drawings. You'll get a good print. And I ain't gonna give you no janky photo or nothing. I'm not gonna do you guys dirty like that. I'll give you guys some good quality, some quality work, you know. And all you gotta do is just share, subscribe, and get it while it's hot. But look at that, guys. Easy peasy. Only thing you gotta do now, take away the lines. Take away the little sketch marks. And if you want to put some color or whatever you want to do in there, go ahead. Look up Kirby on the internet and, you know, it's a pink ball looking like Jigglypuff. And it's a pretty simple character. If you look at some cartoons, some animations about Kirby, the way how she moves or he moves or it moves, just focus on that and that'll practice on your perspective. Even though it's a little ball, but trust me, when you, I know that helped me at least from experience, from drawing like actual characters, like humans or even animals, you know. That'll help you out a lot. But there you go. Like, I mean, it is Kirby. I know I got a funny video, or actually a comic book about Kirby. I used to do it in high school and all that. But if you guys want to check that out, the link to it will be in the link below in the description. It's a pretty funny video with all like the Naruto, Sasuke, and Dragon Ball Z. Kirby's in there, of course. Sonic. Basically, it's called Game Freaks. I don't know. Just go check it out. It's hilarious. I'll leave it in the description below. But yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe, like, join that raffle. We'll see what's going on. Peace.